Hey friends, it's Paula and this is Relatively Refined. Today's video is the first in my spring cleaning series. This spring I plan to declutter and clean some of the problem areas in my home. The first place I'm going to tackle is my spice cupboard. Now this cupboard has bugged me for a long time and you will see why as soon as we get into the video. But we're a big family. We're a family of 6 and we cook a lot. So it's a hardworking space. So I needed to come up with a solution that was both pleasing to the eye and sustainable for our busy family. I think that I was actually able to do that. Let me know down in the comments if you agree. All right, let's dive in. Okay, so here's the moment of truth, the before shot. You will see that this cupboard is just crammed full of things. It drove me crazy. I would not be able to find something. When I reached in to grab something, something else would fall out. There was no rhyme or reason to how things were put in this cupboard. So I really needed to get a handle on it. The first thing that I did was to take everything out. That way I could see what we had duplicates of, if anything was expired. I was able to wipe down the inside of the cupboard on all of the shelves and just get a sense of what I had. These quilted ball jars in the 4-ounce are what I ended up using to decant my spices into. They're great. They have a wide mouth so you can get a measuring spoon in there. Here's a little shot of what I did. I put the spices in. I gave a temporary label with a sticky note just until I got everything kind of filled up. And then I printed out labels using my daughter's label maker. Nothing fancy. The project took me probably an hour and a half. Here's a little shot of a in progress bit of the project. You'll see that my kitchen had stuff everywhere. I was trying to figure out some sense of organization, grouping things together. But like anything, it always is worse before it gets better. But here is the after. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks great. It's so much easier to access everything. The bottom shelf is where I keep our most frequently used spices. Then on the second shelf, the lesser used ones. And then on the top shelf, I have backups and things we don't use that often, like barbecue rubs and other kinds of flavorings. I did end up getting a wooden riser from Walmart, and I put the jars on that. I also got the jars at Walmart, but I'm very happy with how it turned out. It's something that we will be able to maintain with not a lot of effort. It's pleasing enough to the eye. It's probably not Pinterest worthy, but it works for us, and that's really what was important to me. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think? It was quite a transformation in my opinion, but I'm curious to know, what do y'all think of that? Thank you so much for watching another video. Please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.